Today I'm going to show you how to change your purge valve on your Ram Promaster. This is for the 1500, 25, 3500 from 2013 I believe up to 2023. If it looks like this, it's gonna work for you. If your Ram is about 45,000 miles to 50,000 miles, your purge valve, check engine light probably popped on. Really easy. You can pick these up for 20 bucks. And you don't really have to be a mechanic, so I'm going to show you quickly how to change it. So this right here is your purge valve. So it just slides up fairly easy, like so. We'll go ahead and remove your hose on this side. Kind of twist back and forth a little bit. Like so. This hose off. You have a plug here. You just press the tab down and we'll pop him off like so. And then down here on the bottom you have two white tabs. You're going to pinch these in and it allows you to pop him off. Plug here, the two with the white tabs, your hose. Once you have your new purge valve, we'll go ahead and just slide him in. He just clicks in. We have our plug. Snap him in. Take your hose here. Just slide him right back on. And then we just insert him down on the peg. That's really all there is to removing and installing a new purge valve. Some of you guys with Promasters have been asking me, it's your fleet vehicle, so while I have one here in front of me, decided to show you. So hopefully that helps you guys out. I know it's not what you're normally used to on the channel, but it's a helpful tip.